Crews in several states are still working around the clock to get metro, train, and bus services back up and running. In New York, the Long Island Railroad sustained significant damage during the storm, forcing officials to only open 80% of the busiest commuter railroad in North America.
It will be a slow start.
The snowstorm dropping over 26 inches in Central Park, the second largest snowfall in New York City history. Glengarry, West Virginia, 2 hours west of Washington, D.C., was the hardest hit, with over 42 inches.